friend of me is Vivo IQOO 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find Clock app and tap on it. Then select Alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on this plus icon. Following that, set up an hour and choose More settings. Now you can, for example, click on Repeat and tap on one of those options. I will go with Custom, so now I can pick days of the week manually and click on the back button. Over here you can choose Remind Later and tap on one of those options. I will go with 15 minutes. Now tap on this switcher next to Remind Later and tell time to switch on or off this feature and click on Voice Announcement. If you wish to enable or disable this option, click on the switcher over here. Then select Agree and Allow. Now you need to go back and choose Label. Label your alarm however you want to, tap on OK, and finally click on Alert Mode. Over here you can click on Alert Mode one more time and select one of those options. Ring and Vibrate, Ring Only, or Vibrate Only. I will go with Vibration Only, so now I can click on one of those vibration buttons and go back. But you can also choose Alarm Mode and choose Ring and Vibrate. Then select one of those melodies and one of those patterns. When you're ready, just go back. But you can always choose Alarm Mode, but this time click on Custom Ringtone and pick music from your smartphone by clicking on it and going back twice. To save your alarm, click on Done at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it, tap on Delete over here, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to adjust more alarm settings, click on those two dots at the top right corner, select Settings, and adjust all of them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!